Hey, what's going on? Steve Kripke here, and I hope you're having a great day so far. And today's topic is going to be about network marketing and how to kind of raise ourselves above the group. I don't know if you're brand new to the industry, or maybe you've been around for a while and you're not getting the notoriety or the success that you want, or maybe you're just trying to figure a way to get your head above the rest, like we just spoke about. Well, whatever it is, stick with me for a couple minutes here because I'm going to share with you some pretty cool stuff. It's going to help you develop a network marketing plan for yourself, help you get the notoriety and the success that you've been looking for. So here's the first thing. We tend to have a preconceived notion on how people in our lives are going to react. If they're going to like it, dislike it, say yes, say no, sign up on the spot, or tell us to cram it up our butt. And I'll tell you what that does. That typically going in with that sort of mentality can set us up for failure and really crush the soul to the point where you quit. And which leads me into the second part of this is, a lot of us, we've had jobs for so long that we're used to getting paid for every hour that we put in. Well, with network marketing or entrepreneurship, we're putting in time now to get paid over and over and over again in the future, called reoccurring or residual income. And we get paid long after we stop working, which is awesome. You just have to put in the time now. So don't quit, man. The only way you can really truly fail is if you do quit. So let's talk about this really fast. So the first thing we need to understand is, like I said before, a lot of us, we think we know what to say. So we have to have an open mind to be educated in this industry, because there's a certain way, not a psychological way, but how to talk to people specifically about your product, service, or opportunity. How to do a correct invite, how to set up the presentation, how to handle objections, and how to go through the closing process, with integrity and keep the resistance at a very, very low amount. So, and if you don't know how to do that, you can actually, I'll give you my home business handbook at stevekirther.com/HBH, because I don't have time to get into that now, but you can go there and pick up all that stuff. And being educated on how to speak with people is going to change everything, and it's going to definitely save your relationships. So number one is educate yourself in your specific niche and with your company, and use the system tools that are available that have been put together by your company. So that's first, number one. Have an open mind and be educated. Put ego and pride aside and take it all in, because the people that are teaching, probably the ones that have already created success. So you just need to follow in their footsteps. Number two is we need to make sure that we're getting ourselves out there. What I'm saying is not to promote your link all over the place or put pictures of your product all over the place. What I'm talking about is creating you as the authority in your niche. So if it's weight loss, maybe you do weight loss tips. Talk about, what it takes to create, fitness success, or, maybe a 6-pack of abs, lose 2-3 pounds a week, or whatever it is. If it's travel, give travel tips. If it's network marketing and lead generation, then do lead generation tips. What I'm saying is avoid saying, hey, if you want to lose weight, click here. Hey, if you want to travel cheaper, click here. Hey, if you want leads, click here. We try to avoid that because that's just an advertisement. What I'm talking about is leading with value, so people see you as the authority. So when they're ready to make that decision, they come straight to you. Or when you do prospect them, you're already in a position of authority. So how to get yourself out there? Social media posts, videos, and one of the most powerful ones right now, Facebook Live. And if that gives you anxiety, don't worry, man. It's super easy. Do your first one and you're going to love every second of it. So get yourself out there, get your voice out there. So education, get yourself out there. And the last one, man, I'm going to chill out. I'm going to lean back a little bit here. Have fun, man. Just have fun in this industry. It's full of some really great, super amazing people, and have a good time with it. So many of us, we take it so serious that we forget we need to live our lives. This is about lifestyle. This is about, living out your dreams and goals. And I understand having a 30 or a 60-day run where you're getting rid of all the outside distractions, but you still need celebrations. You still need to have a good time with it all. And I'll tell you, because all of this stuff put together, it creates action. It's going to get you into action. With action, results come. So I hope you got value out of this. If you did, like, share, comment. And again, I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to correctly invite, how to prospect, how to set up your videos, closing, objections, social media stuff, it's all inside my home business handbook at stevekirther.com/HBH. And like I said, comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.